If you have skin discoloration from eczema, psoriasis, rosacea, or any other type of skin condition, I'm gonna show you how to fix it with natural remedies. I had severe psoriasis for 36 years. I know what it's like to live with this condition. And at one point I was so desperate to get rid of my psoriasis that I would try anything. I tried every cream on the market. I tried phototherapy. I tried systemic medications. Unfortunately, they all had side effects. And then one day I discovered that there were natural remedies that could help me clear up my skin. And in this video I am going to show you exactly what I did to clear up my skin using natural remedies. If you stay to the end, I am also going to give you a bonus tip that I learned recently that will speed up your results. So make sure you watch to the end. Hi, welcome to my channel. On this channel we talk about psoriasis and other types of skin conditions and how to get rid of them. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe because every week we post new videos with helpful tips, tricks, and tutorials. Now let's get into the video. The first thing that I want to say is that there are two types of skin discoloration. Hyperpigmentation, where you have an increase in melanin which makes your skin look darker than the surrounding skin. And then you have hyperpigmentation, which is a decrease in melanin which makes your skin look lighter than the surrounding skin. In this video we are going to talk about both types of skin discoloration and how to get rid of them. Now, if you have hyperpigmentation, you might be suffering from post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, which is a very common problem after a skin condition like eczema, psoriasis, rosacea, or dermatitis. Post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation is brown or sometimes red discoloration due to an increase of melanin after inflammation. Melanin is produced by cells called melanocytes, and when your skin gets damaged or inflamed, whether from UV radiation or from a skin condition like eczema, the melanocytes become activated and start producing more melanin, leading to hyperpigmentation. There are many types of hyperpigmentation, but the most common ones that I see are melasma, post-acne marks, and post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Now, melasma affects people of all colors, but it's especially noticeable in individuals with darker complexions. It appears as brown or gray-brown patches, most commonly on the face. Now, what causes melasma? We don't really know, but it's definitely hereditary. Also, hormonal changes can flare it up. People who use birth control pills or hormone replacement therapy can develop melasma. Also, sun exposure can make it worse. Now, post-acne marks are another form of hyperpigmentation that is common. It happens when you have inflammation from acne, and then once the acne clears up, it leaves behind brown marks, and this is very frustrating because sometimes these brown marks last longer than the acne itself. Now, if you have post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation or any other type of hyperpigmentation, what can you do to get rid of it? First thing that I recommend is that you change your skincare products to ones that are non-toxic. Check the ingredients to make sure they don't contain parabens, sulfates, or phthalates. These chemicals can cause irritation and inflammation, leading to more melanin production. Look for products that are labeled as non-comedogenic. This means that they won't clog your pores and they're better for sensitive skin. Look for products that are labeled as fragrance-free because fragrances can be irritating. I personally use fragrance-free products and I love them. I don't miss the fragrance at all. The next thing that I recommend is that you eat foods high in vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce melanin production. You can get vitamin C from foods such as bell peppers, berries, and leafy green vegetables. But if you prefer, you can also take vitamin C in supplement form. Next, I recommend that you wear sunscreen daily. Yes, I know this is not exciting, but it is important because sun exposure can worsen hyperpigmentation. Use a broad-spectrum sunscreen that protects against both UVA and UVB rays. Make sure to apply it liberally and reapply it every 2 hours if you're outside. Next, you want to exfoliate your skin regularly. Exfoliating removes the top layer of dead skin cells, which reveals brighter, more even-toned skin. Be careful though, because over-exfoliating can actually make hyperpigmentation worse. Once or twice a week is usually enough. You can use a gentle chemical exfoliator like glycolic acid or lactic acid. You can also use a physical exfoliator like a soft bristle brush or a sponge. Be gentle with your skin, though, because you don't want to cause irritation or inflammation. Now, if you have hyperpigmentation, this is where you have a decrease in melanin, and it can lead to white spots or patches on your skin. One of the most common forms of hyperpigmentation is called vitiligo. Vitiligo occurs when melanocytes, the cells that produce melanin, are destroyed by the immune system. This can lead to white patches on the skin. Other causes of hyperpigmentation include certain medications, autoimmune disorders, and some chemicals. So what can you do to treat hyperpigmentation? Well, unfortunately, treating hyperpigmentation is much more difficult than treating hyperpigmentation. But there are some things that you can try. First, see if you can figure out what is causing your hyperpigmentation. If you find that a certain medication is causing it, talk to your doctor about switching to a different medication. If you have an autoimmune disorder, work with your doctor to manage your condition because controlling your autoimmune disorder may help prevent the spread of hyperpigmentation. You may have heard of corticosteroids that doctors use to treat eczema and psoriasis. Corticosteroids are anti-inflammatory medications that can help reduce inflammation and redness associated with skin conditions. However, they're not really meant to treat hyperpigmentation. In fact, corticosteroids can actually make hyperpigmentation worse. There are some types of corticosteroids that are available over the counter, but you should always talk to your doctor before using them because they can have side effects. What I found to be most helpful in clearing up my skin discoloration was using natural remedies. Let me tell you what I did to clear up my psoriasis. First, I applied a natural remedy directly to my skin. I applied this remedy twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. Now this remedy is not a cream, it's not a lotion, it's not an ointment. Okay, it's not what you think it is. It's a holistic treatment that includes turmeric, aloe vera, apple cider vinegar, tea tree oil, coconut oil, and vitamin E oil. You mix all of these ingredients together and then you apply it to your skin twice a day. This remedy has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation and redness associated with skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis, rosacea, and dermatitis. It also has antifungal and antibacterial properties which can help prevent infection. Now, in addition to applying this natural remedy to my skin, I also took a few supplements. I took supplements of fish oil, flaxseed oil, and turmeric. Fish oil and flaxseed oil are rich in omega-3 fatty acids which have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation throughout the body, including the skin. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that can help reduce inflammation and redness associated with skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis, rosacea, and dermatitis. So if you have skin discoloration from a skin condition like eczema, psoriasis, rosacea, or dermatitis, I highly recommend that you try this natural remedy and see if it works for you. Before I reveal my bonus tip, I want to remind you that you are amazing. You're beautiful just the way you are. Skin conditions don't define you. They don't make you any less worthy. I know what it's like to feel self-conscious and embarrassed about my skin, but I want you to know that you are beautiful. Now let's get back to the video. My bonus tip is to get more sleep. Sleep is essential for overall health and well-being, and it plays an important role in maintaining healthy skin. When you don't get enough sleep, your body produces more cortisol. Cortisol is a stress hormone that can trigger inflammation and flare up skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis, rosacea, and dermatitis. Getting enough sleep helps to reduce cortisol levels and promote healing. So try to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night and see if it makes a difference for you. Well, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button below and leave me a comment. I love reading your comments. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every week with helpful tips, tricks, and tutorials. I wish you all the best in your journey to clear up your skin, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.